Hey there! In today's video, we're going to tackle an interesting problem together. The scenario is that a learner is working on CS50's problem set 7, which involves validating IPv4 addresses in Python. They have written a program to check the validity of an IPv4 address, but when running the test program, it doesn't seem to pass all the checks. The issue seems to be with the way the program handles the return values and the test program designed to verify the solution. Let's dive into the details to understand the problem better. The solution to the problem lies in two simple errors found in the numb3rs.py and test_numb3rs.py files. The key mistake is the function validate, returning string objects like true or false instead of Boolean values true or false. This mismatch in return types causes the test program to incorrectly pass the checks, creating a false sense of success. Ultimately, Check 50 catches the error during testing by highlighting the discrepancy in return types. By correcting this issue, the program should pass all the tests without any trouble. To sum up, ensuring that the validate function returns Boolean values rather than strings is crucial for the success of the program. This small but significant adjustment will align the program's output with the expected results and prevent any confusion during testing. And there you have it, a simple fix to address a common programming challenge. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.